Hi, Room 21 Rockstar family. So I see that you found the first piece of the puzzle for the mission to find out the 8 key components of Mr. Reichard's classroom. So to start off, I just want to tell you a little bit about who Mr. Reichard is as a person and who will be teaching your child this year in 5th grade. So I grew up in a town called Chippenville, Pennsylvania, which is about 2 hours north of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. All of my life. I lived on a farm, I was in 4-H and Boy Scouts, and I was really involved in music and baseball whenever I was growing up in elementary and high school. Since the 3rd grade, I have known that I wanted to become an elementary school teacher. It's just something that my 3rd grade teacher really instilled in me, and I never lost sight of that dream from 3rd grade on. I then went to Indiana University of Pennsylvania, which is also about 2 hours north of Pittsburgh, and attended college there for 4 years to get my Bachelor's of Science in Elementary Education, so I can teach anywhere from K to 6. So I had a year of experience in the Pittsburgh public schools, and then I moved down here to Stafford, and I started at Kate Waller Barrett last year in 3rd grade, and now I'm up to 5th grade, and I'm so excited to be teaching the 5th graders this year. I cannot explain to you how exciting this summer has been, getting everything together and ready for the Room 21 rock stars. So to talk a little bit about the philosophy of our classroom and how we'll be learning this year, it really begins with how does each and every student learn best? I was disenchanted with school for the longest time until my 3rd grade teacher came along because it was very traditional and I wasn't able to learn that way. And so my classroom really models that. Beginning the first week, every student is going to take a survey to find out what their learning style strength is. And we're going to talk about what we can do whenever an activity comes along that maybe doesn't fit their learning style, but ways that they can bring that into themselves and maybe do well with it. So we're going to be doing a lot of own learning and students taking ownership of their learning through so many cool ways this year. If you would come into our classroom on any given day, you're going to see singing and dancing and chants and just excitement about learning. But the major thing that I want you to take away from this is the fact that every single student is going to become a leader in their middle school class by the end of 5th grade. We will be teaching for mastery so that they learn this material for the rest of their lives, and we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. I just want you to know how excited I am to work with each and every one of you as a partner in this great journey. And if you ever need anything, you know you can contact me at any time if you have any questions, concerns, comments. You can come into the classroom at any time as well to see what we're doing and share in our learning process. I would love that just as well. So congratulations on finding the first puzzle piece, and I'll see you for the second.